Hello, friends and family from around the world. This is Mike with Morning Dew, daily events worldwide, and we are on October 7th, 2021. Welcome to another surviving day on the planet, and welcome to another video from Morning Dew, as I want to share with you our wins. Now, this is nullschool.net, an app and site that you can visit yourself and see all these models for yourself, but we are being invaded by some really cold temperatures, in which I documented in yesterday's Daily Dew. But I wanted to show you the Null School wind models here. Now that looks to be about the North Pole, where our new North Pole is. Now what I wanted to share with you was the dramatic changes that we're seeing this year, just alone. So we're going to go back in time to each year, right back down to 2013. Now this is today, October 7th, 2021. Big, strong vortex just north of Siberia, Russia. And this most likely is our new North Pole, as we've been tracking and documenting the movement of the North and South Pole. And look at the oblonged vortex being stretched across the southern hemisphere. Very strong vortexes, both hemispheres right now. And our jet streams have changed dramatically over the last little while. If you have been following along with Morning Dew, we have the magnetic South Atlantic anomaly, which is changing things in the southern hemisphere. And as well, we've got our new North Pole, which has dramatically moved closer and closer to Russia over the past 12 years, which has been documented in another video, which I had shared. Most of these videos are being shadow banned by YouTube. So we're going back here, 2019. Southern Hemisphere versus the Northern Hemisphere. So 2021, now let's go back. 2019. Southern Hemisphere versus the Northern. And right back up until 2013. You can see dramatic changes on where this vortex sits in the Northern Hemisphere specifically. So are we on the verge of the magnetic reversal? I do believe we are. And it seems evident that with all of these volcanoes that haven't woken up in hundreds of years is all part of and is all connected to the magnetic reversal. The possible pole flip. But never in the Null School history, just in the past 8 years, have we seen such a dramatic northern polar vortex for 2021. And it's evident that you can see that this vortex is a lot closer to Russia than your normal Greenland. Please follow along with Morning Dew, daily events worldwide, keeping humanity aware and prepared as we go through these changes together. I want to welcome all friends and family from around the world, just about 40,000 followers. And thank you so much. I feel blessed and grateful to be here, to share these events with you. Look how far the jet stream is dipping down here in the East Pacific compared to last year at this time. So it's going to be a long, cold winter. A lot of scientists, climatologists, meteorologists are predicting. And as well, same with the Farmer's Almanac. I'm going to give you a show here around the world, full picture. At 10,000 feet, here are the winds. Big changes coming. Northern polar vortex is really starting to gain some strength. Winter is just around the corner. Now, the magnetic reversal could be on a timeline of a 12,000-year cycle, in which that was documented on my channel as well. But here's our new North Pole, folks. This is it. And we're seeing the dramatic changes in our magnetic field within our atmosphere. The systems, the lightning, this is all connected. Just look at the lightning map over the last 24 hours across the world. And there was quite an event over Arizona 2 nights ago. Thousands of lightning strikes throughout the night. Dry heat lightning. That's magnetic effect. And it's evident right across the equatorial plains. Moisture bands from the equator are being drawn up into North and South Pole. Now, top right here, we're looking at solar winds and as well the density. Now you can see we were upwards of over 21 for density, and that was the same time that we were going through this electric event across Central America and up into Arizona. And now we've got a very large and organized low pressure system over southeast North America. And that's the same low that's been spinning for about 7 days across the continent. Another system forming there off the coast of Carolina. These images brought to you by My Radar. Another great app, shows you all of the satellite imagery, winds, pressure. And stay tuned, because we've got some killer weather coming to parts of the Philippines and as well Thailand, 2 large systems heading into Southeast Asia. I've been documenting these changes with Morning Dew for 5 years now, just about 5 years. In March, it'll be 5 years. And it's actually blowing my mind that these events are coming to fruition, as predicted with Morning Dew, and as predicted with many others across the world. I do believe that we are on the verge of the magnetic reversal. Thanks for watching today. This has been Mike with Morning Dew. Please share this very important video with your friends and family from around the world, trying to stay aware and prepared to the natural, occurring, and cyclical events that we are being affected by. Much love for humanity, prayers for humanity. Stay aware and prepared, stay young and have fun, and get your Morning Dew. Bye-bye now.
If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that like button, subscribe, share with your friends and family from across the world.